Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to control who can see your birthday on the VK app. Protecting your personal information online is important, and VK provides easy settings to manage your privacy. First, open the VK app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu. Then, in the top right, tap on the three dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. After opening Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Inside the Privacy section, you will see an option labeled Who can see my birthday? Tap on it to open your birthday visibility settings. Then, you will see three options. You can choose No One if you want your birthday to remain completely private, all users. If you want everyone on VK to see it, or only the month and day. Visible if you prefer to keep the year hidden. Once you make your selection, it will update instantly and your choice will be applied immediately. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.